Today's episode is all about a game-changing educational initiative that's transforming the K-12 learning landscape, EON Reality's Spatial AI K-12 Academy. With this revolutionary platform, students of all ages are now able to accelerate their learning by 4x and gain future-ready skills. Powered by Spatial AI and XR technology, this initiative is taking education to the next level by offering immersive, interactive, and personalized learning experiences.
Exactly. The Spatial AI K-12 Academy isn't just about learning theory. It's about learning by doing. EON Reality's platform allows students to manipulate 3D models, engage with virtual environments, and explore complex concepts in subjects like math, science, and literacy. And all of this is possible through AI-powered mentorship that adapts the learning experience to each student's unique needs.
What's also incredible is how the XR platform makes learning immersive and interactive. Students can experience virtual field trips, explore historical landmarks, or conduct scientific experiments in virtual labs without ever leaving the classroom. It's a hands-on approach to education that bridges the gap between theory and application.
And it's not just about technical skills. It's about preparing students for the future workforce. The Academy focuses on AI literacy, ethical reasoning, and collaborative problem solving, making sure students are not only ready for the jobs of tomorrow, but also able to work with AI systems effectively.
With EON Reality's Spatial AI, learning is personalized to each student's pace, 4x faster, and with greater retention rates. This program is paving the way for a future-ready education system where students are engaged and prepared for the AI-driven world.
That's right. By offering an immersive, adaptable learning environment, EON Reality is giving students the tools they need to succeed in an ever-evolving world, whether they're interested in AI, robotics, or even entrepreneurship. The Spatial AI K-12 Academy is truly revolutionizing how we teach and learn.
Thank you for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.